Welcome. Today we're gonna do a combination of 3 haircuts. We're gonna do a fade, we're gonna do also a moja, and we're gonna disconnect it from the top. We're gonna start the haircut, we're gonna apply water, and we're gonna do a side part on the left side. Use number 4 and keep your side in this part of the guard. In this area you can use the technique trapping the hair against the clipper. This way this area is gonna be blended. In this area you can comb the hair to the left and cut to the right. Use number 3 a bit lower than we used number 4. Cut in a diagonal position to avoid making lines. We're gonna do the entire haircut without making lines. The only line we're gonna make is gonna be the line of the disconnection at the end with the straight razor. Use number 2 a bit lower than we used number 3 and continue in a diagonal position. By cutting in a diagonal position, we avoid making lines. Use the 1.5 a bit lower than we used number 2 and continue in a diagonal position. This is the most important step of the cut. We're gonna use number 1 with an open blade, and we're gonna cut from left to right only using the border of the guard. We are only using 3 or 4 tooths of the guard. Focus and clear only the darker areas. Continue cutting until the back in a semicircle shape. Use as reference and center the ear. Close the blade to use number 1 and use it a bit lower than we used number 1 with an open blade. Close the blade to use number 0 and we're gonna do the sideburn area. Use the border of the blade. Then use the 0.5 or half and continue blending going up. We also use the 0.5 or half until the back. We're gonna use the trimmer to do the outline. We're gonna cut the sideburn area. We also did the outline on top of the sideburn area. We are using the border of the trimmer's blade and continue making the outline going down. Now we're gonna make the right side. Continue using the same procedure. Use number 4 and use your finger to trap the hair against the clipper and cut it. This way the hair is gonna end up blended. In this side we're not gonna make a disconnection. The disconnection we did it on the left side. Use number 3 a bit lower than we used number 4 and use it in a diagonal position. Use number 2 a bit lower than we used number 3 and continue cutting in a diagonal position. Use the 1.5 a bit lower than we used number 2 and continue cutting in a diagonal position. By cutting in a diagonal position, we avoid making lines. This is the most important step of the cut. We're gonna use number 1 with an open blade, and we're gonna go from right to left, only clearing the darker areas with the border of the guard. We are only using 3 or 4 tooths of the guard. Use number 1 with a closed blade and use it a bit lower than we use number 1 with an open blade, and cut the rest of the hair on the edge. Close the blade to use number 0, and we're gonna cut the sideburn area. Then open the blade to use the 0.5 or half and continue blending the sideburn area going up. To make the outline and edges, we're gonna use the trimmer. We're gonna start on the ear area. We also did the outline on the back of the ear going down. On the edges, we also use the 0.5 or half. We're gonna make the connection on the back. We're gonna use number 4. The outline on the back, we're gonna do it in a V shape. We're gonna start doing a line in the middle, and then we're gonna connect the left side and the right side. This is the right way to assemble the blade on the straight razor. Apply the shaving cream. Start shaving the middle and then shave the right side and the left side. We also make the outline on top of the sideburn area. Be careful in this sensitive area. The top, we're gonna do it with scissors. We're gonna use 3 fingers touching the scalp. We're gonna use the point cutting technique, and we're gonna cut in a 90-degree angle in a horizontal position. Connect the guideline on the middle with the right side. Connect the guideline on the middle with the left side. This is the side we did the disconnection, so we're gonna leave it a bit longer. We can use the comb and push the hair to the left to organize the hair for the cut. Connect the hair on the third lateral section with the hair on top. On the back, we can use 2 fingers touching the scalp. Cut in a vertical position using the point cutting technique. Verify the haircut, use the comb in a 45 angle degree and cut going up only if it's necessary. This is the side of the disconnection, comb the hair down and cut the uneven hairs. In this area the hair grows to the left, you can use the scissor over comb technique to cut it. We're gonna texturize the hair, we're gonna use the texturizing scissors and we're gonna make 2 cuts going up. On the back, cut scissor over comb going up. Also texturize the top, making 2 cuts going up. Texturize the middle and then texturize the right side and the left side. We're gonna make the line, protect the longer hair with the comb and let the trimmer fall on top of the line to not make it too wide. Now we're gonna shave the line. We're gonna only use this part of the straight razor to open the weight and we're gonna shave from left to right until the back. Start setting the hair to apply the product. In this case, we use cream with a light hold and natural shine. This is the final result. This is the combination of 3 haircuts. We did a fade, we did a disconnection, and also we did a moha. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. These are some of my previous videos. I invite you to watch them. If you like them, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe. You can find me on Instagram by Blessed Blade.